Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cabbage bonda. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of finely shredded cabbage, 1 cup of gram flour, and 1/4 cup of rice flour. Don't forget your aromatic spices such as ginger, green chilies, and fresh curry leaves to give it that authentic flavor. And of course, enough oil for frying. Now let's prepare our batter. Start by finely chopping your cabbage and any other vegetables you wish to add, like onions or carrots. In a large bowl, combine the gram flour, rice flour, chopped vegetables, and all your spices. Gradually add water, mixing well until you achieve a thick yet pliable batter. It should be easy to scoop with your fingers. It's time to fry. Heat your cooking oil in a deep pan over medium heat. To test if the oil is ready, drop a tiny bit of batter. It should sizzle and rise immediately. Carefully drop small, golf ball-sized portions of the batter into the hot oil. Fry them in batches, turning occasionally until they are beautifully golden brown and wonderfully crispy on all sides. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes per batch. Once your bondas are perfectly fried, remove them from the oil and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. This ensures they stay delightfully crispy. Serve these hot cabbage bondas immediately with your favorite coconut chutney or tomato ketchup. They make a fantastic snack for any time of day. Enjoy your homemade, crispy treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.